In this video, we are going to learn how you can set up membership plans for your Tutor LMS e-learning site. So let's start. As you can see, we have an experimental e-learning site powered by Tutor LMS. We also have a few courses. Now these are just demo courses. What we're going to do is set up membership plans for our courses. So the first thing that we are going to do is head over to our WordPress admin dashboard. And for this, we need Tutor LMS Pro. So you cannot do it with the free version. What we're going to do is go to Tutor LMS Pro, head over to add-ons. And this is why we need Tutor LMS Pro, access to all these premium add-ons. These add-ons are only available in Tutor LMS Pro. So the add-on particularly that we need for this case is subscriptions. We are going to enable this, and it has been enabled. Now what we're going to do is go to Settings, then head over to the Monetization tab and make sure that the native e-commerce engine has been selected. In order to create the membership plans with Tutor LMS Pro, we need the native e-commerce engine. Then we're going to click on this Subscriptions tab. Here you can already see there's an option to create membership plans. Now, if you want to create subscription plans for your courses, that is also possible. We have created a separate tutorial for this purpose. You can find it in the video description. But in this video, we are simply going to learn how you can create membership plans. To create a membership plan, we are simply going to click on New Membership Plan over here. This new section will pop up. Now we'll have to add a title to our membership plan, a short description for the plan, the pricing, billing interval. We can also choose days, weeks, months, and years, and billing cycles. Then we have to choose the membership type. We can add features. Then we will also get access to these settings as well. So let's go ahead and create a membership plan so you can understand how this looks like. Alright, so we have created a plan called Silver Plan. We have added a short description, which is perfect for students. The price, we have set it to $49. And for billing intervals, we've selected 1. And from the duration, we selected years. So in order to purchase this plan, users will have to make one payment per year. You can set this up however you like. If you want, you can choose once a month, twice a month. This is completely up to you, but we're setting it to 1. And for billing cycles, you can make it 3 times, 6 times, 9 times, 12 times, or until canceled. We're going to choose until canceled. For membership type, we can add it to full site, or we can add it to specific categories. So if you want to include for specific categories, you have to click on this Add Categories button and choose for which course categories you want to apply this membership for. In order to keep this thing very simple, we are going to apply this membership type for the full site. For features, we added these 3 features. Now these are just for demonstration purpose. You can also drag and drop these around to rearrange their orders. To add more features, you can simply click on this plus button and write in your feature. So what we're going to do is remove this. We only want these 3. Next, you can have access to these features. You can charge an enrollment fee. In that case, you have to write how much you want to charge for enrollment. You can also offer a trial period. So if you wish to offer a trial period, you can choose the length of the trial and if you want to add a pricing for that trial period. So let's say I want students to at least try what this plan is all about so that they can understand what our e-learning site is all about. So we are going to add a 7 days trial and this will be completely free. I also don't want to provide any certificate for this. So let's select this and I can also mark it as featured. Now for this plan, I don't want to make it featured, so I'm going to deselect this and I can also offer a sale price if I choose to. And I can also schedule the sale price. The start and end date and time I can set from here, but I don't want to offer any sale price, so that will be all. Now I'm going to click on the save button. So we have a plan already created. Now let's create another plan by clicking on New Membership Plan. And now let's create a gold plan. Okay, so we created a gold plan and now we don't want to offer any trial period for this. And let's start providing certificates. So I don't want to select this anymore. And also let's mark as featured and let's add a featured text. Let's call it most popular. Okay, now we want to save And here you can see there's a star over here, which makes this a featured plan. Now, following the same process, we are going to create another plan. All right, now we have 3 plans created. We can also drag and drop these plans to rearrange their orders. In this way, you can add as many plans as you want. Now let's take a look at the options over here. There's the pricing page. So Tutor LMS will create a separate pricing page for your memberships that you have created. This will be displayed in the pricing page. Now by default, I want to leave it in the pricing section, but you can create a separate page and assign it from here. All right, cancel anytime. This will allow your students to cancel their subscriptions whenever they want. So we want to create flexible membership plans. So we want to add this feature, early renewals. If you want students to renew early, you can enable this feature. Membership only mode. So if you enable this, all your courses will be membership only. So there won't be any one-time payments or subscriptions, only memberships. Finally, there's the skip payment for free trials. Allow students to skip the payment gateway when the trial price is set to 0. So students can skip the payment gateway if the trial is set to 0. We can enable this if we want, but we are just leaving it empty for now. We are going to click on Save Changes. Now we are going to go to the courses page and let's select this course. We're going to edit it. And you can see that it is set to one-time purchase only, which is $199. Now, if we click on this drop down and select membership only, so this course will be available only through memberships. Let's select all. Now we don't have any subscriptions, but we do have membership plans. Now let's update it and we can preview from here, but let's actually visit our site and look at the course from here. So we're going to click on this course. And now you can see students can either make a one-time purchase or they can view the membership plans. So it starts from $49. If I click on View Plans, here it will take us to the pricing page. Here you can see the silver plan is over here, the name of the plan, the price of the plan per year. Also, there's the short description that we added. Here's the Buy Now button, so it will lead to the checkout page. And also these are the features. And here you can see the gold plan, which we made a featured plan and added the featured text over here, which is most popular. It's also added over here with all the details. So that is how you can add membership plans to your courses. Now, what if you want to create a site-wide membership? So no one-time purchase, only membership plans. You can easily do that by going into the admin dashboard, heading over to settings, clicking subscriptions under monetization, and enabling this option. When you click over here, it's going to give you a warning. The warning is students enrolled in a single course or a bundle with a single course subscription will remain unaffected. So all your students who are already enrolled in a single course or a bundle with a single course subscription will still be able to access those courses. It will remain unaffected. So this will be applied to new students only. The entire site will transition to membership plans, which is what we want to do. Single course pricing will no longer be offered, so there won't be any single course pricing available at all. Subscriptions for individual courses or bundles will no longer be available. So this is a fair bit of warning that Tutor gives you before you enable the membership mode only. So once I click on Yes, Proceed, it's going to take place. Now if we click on Save Changes, and now if we go to the courses page, and if we select this course, now you can see there's no pricing option available at all. Now how this looks in the front end, you can see this is membership only. Now we have to get a membership to enroll to any course. Now one more thing I wanted to show you is if we go to Tutor LMS Pro and click on the subscriptions tab, this is where we can manage our memberships from. So currently we don't have any data to show. I want to show you the documentation of Tutor LMS Pro so that you can understand how this looks like. All right, we are here in the official documentation of Tutor LMS. Now here in the subscriptions, if we take a look at this screenshot, here you can see how this section will look like when you have some subscriptions. So you can see the subscription plan over here, the amount, the student name, and when is the next payment date, the status, and also we can take actions. So what happens if we click on edit? This is what we'll see. We can see the subscription ID, the membership access, which is the full site, amount, renew until canceled. We can see all this information over here. We can also see the payment history over here and student details. So we can manage all our memberships and subscriptions from this section. Now, let's talk about Tutor LMS Pro pricing as well, because you cannot access this feature without Tutor LMS Pro. We can see the Tutor LMS plans. There's annual and lifetime plans. Let's start with the annual. There are 3 tiers available: individual, business, and agency. And no matter which tier you pick, you'll get access to all the features of Tutor LMS Pro, including the subscription and membership features. The difference is the site licenses. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.